Hey, good day my friends, how are you? Today we are going to see the wonderful world of animals. So we are going to check animals like zebras, giraffes, also domestic animals like dogs, and my favorite, the tiger. So be alert and let's see what we have.
The adorable zebras are running really fast. Now they are drinking water in the peaceful lake. Very nice. Skillful leopards are hunting deers and they are grabbing them up the top of the tree. It's amazing the skill of these leopards. They're really strong with the prey. Look how it goes up with it. Look, this fussy orange fox. He's digging into the snow. Oh, he's catching a mouse inside his den. I think he's going to take it. Look. Oh, he take it out. Catch up. Oh, look, these small reddish squirrels are playing in the forest. They are chasing each other around the tree. Oh, really fun. Is that the ex-President Trump? Oh, and this grumpy eagle is speaking, the foolish ex-president. Look once more time. The Australian kangaroo is jumping. And now look, the tallest one is kicking a lioness. Oh my god. This giraffe is a giraffe kicking a lioness. Take a look. It's escaping from a pride of lions attacking together. But this pretty one is very aggressive. Now this pretty is kicking a rhinoceros offspring. Check this relaxed baby crocodile floating up in the Amazonian's water. Look, the fussy sheep is eating grass in the farm. Okay, now let's go to the zoo. Look, this man lie on the floor. And the rhinoceros, huge rhinos are smelling a man lying down on the sand. Until this cowboy is going to fire them. He scared them with a gun. Check out these heavy set rhinos hitting some cars. They are enormous. Oh my god. Look how they turn this car. Oh, this is a really exciting safari. Now take a look at this whale. This aggressive killer whale is catching a off-guard seal in the shore. Yes. Once more, look how the seal is caught. Let's see monkeys now. Look, this little monkey hiking on the rocks. And look, he's jumping into the water. He's such a good swimmer. He swims really nice. He's swimming professionally. Good. Very nice. Now look at this one. This one is working. He's working in a grocery store. Oh my god, it's really clever. Look, he's passing the fruits. Now, very nice. He's happy. He passed all the fruits, the mangoes, the apples, the oranges. Oh my god, look, he passed the apple. Really nice. Now he received the money. Now's the time for a naughty monkey. Look, he's stealing a tourist bag and he's running away with it. You naughty one. Now look, time for eating mangoes. And this gang of monkeys know it. It's time for eating mangoes. One more for me. Okay, and for me too. Really cool, eh? Time for lunch. This lovely couple of monkeys are sipping juice with a straw. It's unbelievable. Apparently, it's kind of a romantic dinner, I guess. Very romantic with shrimps. Really cool. Okay, so now check out this little active monkey. It's doing some tricks. So the rings each time go higher and higher through the rings. Okay. Really high. Oh, really high. Impressive. Okay, now check his big brother is stunning with a hand plan up and down the stairs. The grateful one is jump. Okay, was good move. Now it's a gap. This grateful one is he's jumping and gap and landing hand plant again. It's magnificent. Let's see this agile cat. He's falling down from a table. Take a look, the quick cat is now the door's frame. Oh, really skillful. Now look, this amazing pianist cat playing hip-hop music. What about this smarty one is playing ping pong with the lazy style. Well, look at this kitten is sipping water in a singular way. Alright, now time for parrots. It's time for weightlifting. Next is riding a bicycle. This pretty one is riding a fancy yellow bike. And this one, a fancy shopper bike. They are sporty parrots. Playing bowling, playing basketball. Oh, really amazing. Now this toucan is fabulous. Toucan is dancing. Now check this cute penguin. It's being released to liberty, to the ocean. This tiny creature is happily tasting its freedom in the ocean. Come on, go! It's going. Oh! It's having fun now. This one is wonderful. This white puppy, look. He's helping out to stand his yellow duckling up. Alright now, oh my god, this monkey mommy is giving love to its neglected baby monkey. Now check this strong big bull crossing through the air that farm lake. Amazing.
Hey, what do you think? It's a fantastic world, right? The monkeys are really intelligent, very intelligent, I think. And for finishing this activity, right here in the commentaries, what's your favorite animal? Tell me some characteristics and let me know what was your favorite in this video, what you like the most, okay? Tell me, what kind of place would you like to visit? Maybe the Amazon? No, for animals in the jungle? Or what do you think about going to the ocean? Yeah, to see penguins? No, to the polar side of the earth? Or maybe go to the desert to see a safari in Africa? Or have you visited a zoo? Tell me. That is going to be optional here in the commentaries. And I'll read you next. Have a good day and go for a safari. Why not? Okay? Have a good day, my friends. Goodbye.